Have you ever pondered the courage it takes to face your deepest fears? It's a riveting thought, isn't it? Imagine Schema Therapy as your personal incubator for cultivating such audacity. Think of it like sticking to a 30-day low-carb diet. That buttery bread the waiter tempts you with, it's the symbol of your fears. But the courage? That's your pre-planned polite decline enacted at just the right moment. Consider our online training programs at the Schema Therapy Training Center of New York as your training grounds for courage, a dojo for your mind. Whether tackling a challenging client or mastering the art of setting boundaries, we equip you with the skills you need. Imagine for a moment you're standing on the precipice of a challenging situation, be it navigating a complex client relationship or making a challenging clinical decision. The fear can be palpable. But what if I told you could transform this fear into a stepping stone? Our Schema Therapy training courses are just the tools you need to do this. They're not just educational programs. They're an immersive journey where you'll learn to recognize your fears, understand them, and finally conquer them. Think of a time when you were afraid to speak up in a meeting. You felt the weight of your words, the pressure of the room. Now picture yourself after completing our training courses. You're the same person in the same meeting, but this time you're armed with courage. You voice your thoughts confidently, not because the fear isn't there, but because you've learned to resist it. Or perhaps you've been struggling to set boundaries with a client, always saying yes when you yearn to say no. With our courses, you'll learn to assert yourself, to stand firm in your decisions. You'll discover that the power to change is within you. You won't just become a schema therapist, you'll evolve into a schema warrior. This journey is not just about acquiring a title, but about embracing a transformation that will arm you with courage to face any challenge that comes your way. And remember, courage is contagious. Your boldness could inspire another to leap bravely into the unknown. Our Schema Therapy training courses are not just a professional upgrade, they're a personal revolution. You'll gain the skills to confront fears in your life and your practice. So shall we shed the shackles of fear and welcome the embrace of courage? Time waits for no one. Secure your spot in our groundbreaking training programs now. Tap the link to secure your spot in our groundbreaking programs at the Schema Therapy Training Center of New York, founded and directed by Travis Atkinson. In this journey, we've explored the courage it takes to face our deepest fears and how our Schema Therapy courses can be your personal training ground. We've learned that courage is not the absence of fear, but the mastery of it. So let's rise to the occasion. Apply now for our individual or couples trainings. Until next time, may your journey be a courageous one. Climb the ranks of Schema Therapy mastery, confront your fears, and emerge as the therapist you were born to be.